What I wish I knew before sweating through my first summer drive: a simple fix could save your AC. Here's what you need to know about your Pacifica's compressor clutch. The AC compressor clutch is the part that turns your air conditioning on and off. If it's not engaging, your AC won't cool no matter how low you set the dial. So, what causes this? First, check your AC fuse and relay. If these are blown or faulty, the clutch won't get power. Next, look at the refrigerant level. Low refrigerant means the clutch won't engage to protect the system. If those are fine, the issue could be with a pressure switch or a broken clutch coil. The pressure switch stops the clutch from engaging if it detects a problem, like very high or low pressure, and a bad clutch coil just won't turn on at all. Finally, check your wiring and connectors for corrosion or loose connections. Sometimes, a simple electrical issue is all that's stopping your AC. So before you head to the shop, take a few minutes to check these basics. Fixing your AC clutch could be simpler than you think. Stay cool and comfortable on every drive.